Well, there are the Tonys, of course, the Oscars, the Emmys, but there's another award just as important, and it's the Milken Educator Award.
Lise Frederick.
A big honor today for a Johnson County teacher.
And a $25,000 one.
It's called the Milken Educator Award.
The Oscar of teaching.
The Milken Educator Award goes to Lauren Wagasback. Kelly Ryan.
The honor goes to only a handful of teachers across the country.
We're looking for individuals who are early to mid-career, who have distinguished themselves already, but we believe have the potential to do even greater things in the future.
Teachers have the most important job in our country because we challenge them with the responsibility to prepare every one of you.
That can be the most thankless but rewarding job there is.
It's an absolute dream come true.
I was chosen out of 3 million different teachers across the country, and we were just awarded $25,000.
The Milken Educator Network includes almost 3,000 other top-level teachers and specialists.
The Milken Educator Award goes to Anna Drew.